So Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has a dedicated mode to shoot in low light that's called Pure Video. Thanks to that AI noise reduction and a bigger sensor, it can be used in extremely dark environments. So in this video, guys, I prepared a side-by-side comparison between Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and GoPro Hero 13 Black, focusing on purely low-light scenes. See for yourself what kind of a massive difference is between them. So what do you guys think about it? I think that Insta360 Ace Pro 2 just blows GoPro 13 out of the water when it comes to low light shots. You know, most of the GoPro videos are unstable and so much darker. But in a way, I like it that the sky, for example, is dark because that's how it's supposed to be like in real life. But the problem is that at some shots, GoPro can't see anything. So in general, I think that Ace Pro 2 is simply better in low light, but I also think that Pure Video mode sometimes brightens up the scene a bit too much. So they should do some adjustments to it, because I think that Ace Pro 1 did it better. You know, when I pointed my camera into the dark sky, it should remain black, not brownish or something, so it's not always perfect. Apart from that, you might have noticed that some shots from Ace Pro 2 looked muddy. It's because those shots were recorded in almost total darkness. So I'm pretty surprised that it actually captures something. All of the shots from Ace Pro 2 were recorded using -0.7 EV compensation. And still, some of those shots were so bright. So if they only could dial it down, that would be perfect. Now, if you found some value in my content and you learned something from it, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.